if women got paid every time they were told to act like a wife material, most of us would be millionaires by now. Because seriously, who is a wife material? What is a wife material? Who created the list? Like, I don't understand. Where did the idea of wife material come from? The idea of a woman being a wife material is somebody that cooks and cleans. She can cook and clean. She's not too exposed. She dresses decently. You're not supposed to wear revealing or skimpy clothes. A wife material is someone that does not like to party because what are you as a single woman doing at the club at 2 a.m. and you're expecting a man to pick you, to choose you, to marry you? Let's be honest. Most times when I hear people talk about wife material, they are usually referring to the outward appearances of these ladies or their lifestyle choices. But I believe that what this wife material talk does is put women in a box that says you are only worthy to be picked as a wife by a man if you act a certain way, if you look a certain way. So what happens is that women start to perform instead of just being their authentic self. They tend to hide themselves just so they can be picked by men. You will hear girls say things like, good girl, not they pay.
Good girl, no dey pay. Hope you know that.
And I always ask myself whenever I hear them say these things, like, are you being a good girl because that is who you are? Are you holding on to your moral values because this is who you are? Or you are doing all of these things, you're acting like a good girl because you want to be picked by a certain type of men. So you're living your life overthinking different things like, if I tell this guy that I drink and I party, is he going to see me as a wife material? Is he going to think I'm loose? Is he going to take me seriously? Or if I dress like this, is he going to think I am irresponsible? All of this it is just exhausting because newsflash, my love. I've seen church girls get married. I've seen party girls get married. I've seen homebodies get married. Career women that wear tattoos get married. Women that don't like to wear makeup get married. Women that like to wear makeup get married. Loud girls get married. Quiet girls get married. Natural girls get married. The girls that like to wear wigs up and down, they get married. Like all kind of women get married every Saturday. So don't let anybody lie to you or deceive you that there's only one correct way for a woman to be worthy of marriage. I spoke to some of my male friends and I asked them what they think or what they consider as wife material to them. And guess what? They all do not want the same thing. I went further with my interrogation with these people and I discovered that some love party girls, some love quiet girls, some love natural girls, some love loud girls. Some just like a girl that matches their vibe. In fact, most of them, they spoke more about the inner qualities and the inner values that the woman has than even the outward appearance. There is no one size fits all. There is no one definition of who a wife material is. It's all subjective. So every man his own. What matters is you being true to yourself. So my love, you better start living your life authentically. Live a life that fits you for you. You don't have to fit yourself into an outdated mode just so you will be fit to be considered marriage worthy. I hope you know that there are some ladies that society consider as sluts and irresponsible. They will say, oh, this one, the way she looks, the way she dresses, the way she is acting, this one, nobody's going to marry her, my dear. They get married every Saturday. Whenever I hear people talk about wife material and they mention so many superficial things, I find it very funny because there are so many other deep things, so many other valuable things that build a home. For example, things like being able to manage finances, being able to communicate effectively, someone that has a good amount of emotional intelligence, being able to raise emotionally healthy kids. Not if you wear makeup or you don't wear makeup, you have tattoo or you don't have tattoo, you party or you don't party. It does not make sense to me. My sister, better live the life that is best for you. If you are a baddie, be a baddie. If you're not a baddie, stay like that. I'm not endorsing anyone. My point is, however you choose to live your life, let it be that you are living that life for you and not because of man. Not because you want to be picked by a man. If you want to be a party girl, be a party girl with your full chest. If you want to be a quiet, reserved girl, be that with your full chest. Don't think that because you are being a reserved, quiet girl, that is how they will not pick you. So you fit into the wife material criteria or standard. And you know what? This statement of men don't marry the women that they party with and all of that, it's mostly made by women. I believe they say these things just to feel good about themselves because they're like, oh, after he finishes partying with you, he will come and pick me. Like it gives them this, I don't know the word for it, but Newsflash, there are so many men that marry women that match their lifestyle. A guy has told me before that he cannot date me, not to talk of marry me, because I don't take alcohol, because I don't drink. I was like, ah, why? He said he cannot imagine going out with his wife and the both of them cannot drink and shayo. Do you get? So will you now tell me because the woman takes alcohol because she parties, the man now is telling you that that is exactly what he wants. These men will marry women that have the exact same lifestyle with them. They want to be able to flex with their wife. In fact, you see that open back, that revealing clothes, that's what they want you to wear for them. That's what they want because they see it, they like it, and they want you to wear it. Like I said, I am not endorsing any particular lifestyle or a particular way to dress. Dress however you want to dress. Live a lifestyle that you want for yourself. Every man has different choice. Every man knows what he wants. Every man, there's no one size fits all. You might even be dressing reserved and he does not want a reserved wife. Or you that parties, you feel like if you don't party, that is where the men will pick you. It might be that what the man that even likes you, that is what he wants. He wants a woman that parties, but you are trying to fit into that box of, no, I don't party. No, men don't consider party girls as marriageable girls or worthy of marriage. They don't consider them to be wife material. They don't pick them. They don't marry them. That's a very wrong mindset to have. Everything I'm saying is to say that you should not pick a particular lifestyle because you think that if you live this way, that is what men consider as wife material, and that is how they're wife, and that is why they are going to pick you. But let's really think about this for a minute. Don't you think it's a disservice to yourself for trying to fit into a mold that you know that you will not fit yourself into on a normal day just because you want to be picked by a man? A man that will not even choose you on a normal day. So, my love, pick a lifestyle that fits you, a lifestyle that aligns with your values, not the one that boxes you in just to check off a man's list. And for those girls that think that they are good girls, so they deserve to be picked instead of men picking those other girls. You know what I mean by the other girls? That is such a dumb and lazy way of thinking because marriage is not a reward for being good. Be good and stay good because that is what you want and that is who you are. Keep your morals intact because that is who you are as a person. Thinking that because you're a good girl or pretending to be a good girl. Because most of the people that say these things, oh, good girl, not they pay. It seems like they are reconsidering to now turn away from being a good girl and turn to a bad girl because it's bad girl that are getting my all of this things does not make sense. Shrinking yourself or trying to be what you are not because you think it will make men pick you. It's a very harmful thing to do to yourself. However you choose to be, calm, reserved, catty, loud, body, not body. However, the right man will find you. The right man will be attracted to you. The right man will want you. You are not on this earth to perform or change yourself, to be picked by a man. You deserve a love that fits you. One that doesn't require you to shrink yourself or pretend just so you will be picked. In fact, if anybody has to work, if anybody has to earn the love, it should be the other way around. It should be him and not you trying to put in work for him to pick you. And men need to stop measuring a woman's worth based on how well she fits into a box that society has built for their comfort. I really hope you're able to learn something from this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.